Everybody, Sunshine here, and today I will be feeding my budgie some millet. Yay! Oh no. And another thing more important than my budgie is Happy Mother's Day. Yay! Woo! Okay, so for those of you who have no idea what millets are these things. They're milk sprays. They're for all birds. They're like treats for them. And today's Monday, I'm gonna give them a treat. I. So I'm gonna feed them. You guys can see me feed them. Okay? And these are what mugs look like. They're really long. But I cut it. I cut it so it'll be easier for me to feed them. Oh, peaceful. Yeah, start with a small piece and then I'll give it a big piece. Feed it by hand first. The baby doesn't bite me. Okay. I'll put it right here so you guys can see the little chair here so that talks my bird. Did you say she took a little bite out of this little ball? Yeah, she's used to me giving her a big piece because I put it in the little tray. I put it in her little tray so she can have some. So let me get a piece. I usually give her millets that looks like that's like this. It's the same thing. It's just one of the balls fell off. She took it's coming off, but millets are treats if you forgot. Or bird treats. Okay, so let's just read. Yeah. Like I said, millets like bird treats. My bird Kara here, she likes bullets. She loves it. It's like bird crap or something. No, it's just today. It's just Mother's Day, okay? It's Mother's Day. Okay. So she took some bites, as you can tell. So you can look at it right now. Here. She took some bites of this. I'll have to finish this already. Okay. Okay. Don't worry, I'm just feeding you. You want more? Oopsie. Oopsie, sorry, I'm sorry. I'm sorry. You guys can't really see here. Don't worry, it's making a trick. Maybe so you guys see it better over here when I feed her this one. She knows what to cry out when I'm giving her food, right? She's smiling at me. Sorry. You want water? Okay, I want you to use some water. Let me just see if I can try. Let's make her drink some water. She's pooping right now. Come on. She doesn't want it. She just knocked it over. So, oh, bad girl. Now you want it, huh? Oh my god. She took the bites. Okay, did I close it? Yeah, I closed it. I was just making sure it was closed. She kind of got terrified, right? Put it back in a little jar here. My budgie. Making noises. Millets are like bird treats. I told you she loves it. Every bird loves it. What kind of bird doesn't like millets? She took some few bites. See this? So I gotta cut that off because she took because whenever when she took it because she got hurt, she's like, oh no, because there's nothing else to eat there. So put it back in my jar. Say bye. Okay. Put this away first. Okay, she's a good bird. Alright? You're a good bird. So let me cut that off right now. Okay. She's getting to know me more and more every day. I have to go to school tomorrow. That sucks. Now there's a little bit more. I'll let her finish it. Yeah, I'll let her finish it. I'm gonna cut it off next episode, so thank you for watching. Bye.